In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a drop-down question in SurveyMonkey. Start by opening SurveyMonkey in your web browser. Once you're on your dashboard, open the survey you want to update so we can work directly inside it. You'll land in the Design Survey area. If you're not there yet, click Design Survey at the top to switch into the Builder view where all the question tools live. On the left, you'll see the Build toolbar. This is where SurveyMonkey organizes all the question types you can add. Click View More to expand the full list of options. From here, select Dropdown. This adds a single select drop-down question to your survey page, which is great for long lists like locations, departments, or standardized options where you want to save screen space and keep responses consistent. With the new question in place, let's edit it. Click into the question title and replace the placeholder text with a clear prompt that tells people exactly what to choose. Clarity reduces confusion and improves your response quality. Next, add your answer choices. Type each choice into its own line. Keep options short, mutually exclusive, and easy to scan. If you have a long list, consider alphabetical order so respondents can find their choice quickly. You can drag to reorder items or remove any option you don't need. If you want to accommodate uncommon answers, you can add an Other option and let respondents type a custom response. Just ensure that you only collect what you truly need to avoid cluttering your data later. You can also decide whether the question should be required. Turn on the required setting if every respondent must provide an answer before moving forward. As you fine-tune, watch the live preview on the right to see exactly how the question will appear. SurveyMonkey typically auto-saves your changes, but it's still a good habit to glance for any save indicator to confirm your edits are captured. If your dropdown has many similar items, double-check for duplicates or typos, since those can trip up respondents and complicate analysis. When you're satisfied with the wording and the choices, you're all set. The drop-down question is now part of your survey design, ready to collect clean, consistent data from your audience. You can continue building your survey or simply review the page to ensure spacing, order, and readability look good. And that's it. You went to SurveyMonkey, opened your survey, used the Design Survey Builder to insert a drop-down question via View More, and edited it to fit your needs. You're done.